Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comment. First of all, happy Thanksgiving to all those. Hope you have a safe and blessed event. Also, thanks to all those who are customers of ADM Investor Services and ADM. Yours are very special, and hopefully these informations help you in guiding you through some of these volatile times in the commodities. Overnight, we had prices a little bit lower. I think that in general, commodities are lower. Maybe some of this pre-Thanksgiving rally, especially led by the soybeans, might be a little premature. We've noted that in the last few days, the open interest in soybeans is up 46,000 contracts. It's not up in corn and wheat, so it's not kind of a broad fund type buying. But it's interesting that that would fill about 100 vessels of soybeans going to buyers, or 6.25 million tons of soybeans. So there is some talk that this could be pricing underneath the market for soybean purchases, especially by China. We also note that there's back and forth rhetoric between China and the U.S. concerning trade wars or tariffs or renegotiation of trade agreements, and this will be ongoing. Agriculture is picked out as one of those that could lose in this type of environment, but most hope that cooler heads will prevail on both sides of that issue. We also noted that we will be closed tomorrow. It's a short session on Thursday. Options expire, short session on Friday. Options will expire on Friday, and first notice day is coming up, and we'll see how much deliveries there are on the grains, December contracts, and also soybean meal and soybean oil. We note that we broke out on the upside of yesterday in Jan beans. It's kind of a positive technical consideration. So important to see how we close today from a technical standpoint. 980 seems to be support. Now 1050 might be the new psychological resistance. Corn still in this 340, 370 trading range on the March. Wheat still 410 and 440 on the March, and doubt if we'll break out of those ranges until we get closer to more weather-sensitive markets. So the Midwest should see some rains over the next 10 days. We're getting rain in Chicago today. And both Brazil and Argentina looks to have drier weather next week, which is favorable for the crops at this time. But down the road, we have to watch and make sure that, especially Argentina and southern Brazil, does not get into a drier pattern. Funds yesterday, buyers of beans, meal, corn, and wheat, sellers of oil. And we'll just see how things slide into the end of the month. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.